Hi everyone, my name is Bhaumek. Today I'm going to teach you about variables in Python. So, you all know about print hello world. So, you all know it will print hello world. So, it printed hello world. This These inverted commas are called strings, as you all know that. That we can create variables. So, there are three types of variables. Those are integer variables, float numbers, booleans. So first I'm going to tell you about integer variables. They are nothing but the number values like 22 or 21. These are the integer values. You can use them when you give a variable called age and you 22. You know, do not need to add inverted commas or brackets to add a number value. So age is 22. These are integer values. Now there are float numbers. Float numbers are nothing but decimal point numbers like 12.0 or 21.0. Can use them. And bulletins are the true and false. True. You can see now you can do. See you. So let's give an age variable 22 and true or false. And now I'm going to show you one by another. So we are going to create a variable called name. Name equals to now okay. Like that. But it shows the error. This is why because we have to add a string and in between them we have to type on. But we should not. We can add brackets or it's optional. So we are going to add commas. Then we are going to write bow. So now it's clear. Now let's run it. It did not print because we didn't tell the computer to print it. So now let's click print. Normally I'll do how we do. Now let's see what will come. So you can see that the name is printed. It means when we click print brackets in the strings, what we give it, it will print it as it is, but not the value in it. So we have to should not keep the strings and just type name. Then it will take it as the variable and it will print Baumic. Now I'm going to tell you about, let's now take as age. Age equals to, we can use the integer value as 12. 12. Now when we wanted to print it, the age will not print because we did not tell the computer to print age. So now we are going to type print age. Now let's check what will happen. Baumic 12. 12. And when after doing that, we can change the value in the name or in the age. Name, we can take it as uh, John. Now let's check out. But it did because we did not tell it to print. So print name. Let's see what will come. See, it changed. And we can also change the age value in the number. Then type as 21. Click. See, John 21. We can change the variables. Now let's talk about bulletins. Bulletins are nothing but, so my age is 12. So we're going to type 12 here. And now we're going to tell, am I an adult or a child? So we are going to write is a adult. So, am I an adult? No, I am not. So we are going to write false. It did not take it because in some in in some variables we're going to type the capital letter for the capital letter for true or false. Sometimes we do is where we have to type the capital letter we'll keep small, and where we should keep small we'll type capital letter. So there's confusion. You also always keep for true and false the first letter as capital. Now see, it took it as false, and now we are going to print those. So we are going to print name, then we are going to print age, we are going to print uh, see, you can see here we should not add inverted commas. I did not add for any of these. Now it's going to print the value which is in it, which is bombing 12 false. Like this you can do. So I'm going to give you a task. Just note down in a notebook. So my name is Tony Stark. He is 51 years old. He is genius. Just think about few minutes and do the code. And pass this video, so I'm not going to give the solution. The solution is name equals to Tony Stark. Don't forget to ever forget for inverted commas as Tony Stark. Now, what is this age? Age equals to 51. And what is he a genius? Yes, he is. So we are going to use the bulletins as true. He is a genius equals to, what is it? Equals to true. So we are going to add brackets and add true. We have to keep, don't forget to keep the first letter as capital. Now let's run it. It did not print anything because we didn't tell it to print. So we are going to write print name, print age, then print is a genius. Now we're going to run. See, Tony Stark, 51 and true. We did this sum. So today's video is about that. If you like this, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.